Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn language change and its reasons of changing, but if you are new to my channel then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Without wasting the time, let's first learn language change. Language change is the ongoing process by which languages transform over time. It affects pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and how we use language. What does it mean? Simply, it means that language can be changed with the passage of time, and that change can be in the form of pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar, etc. You need to remember that changing a language is an ongoing process whether you want it or not, but a language changes with the passage of time. Basically, this change happens gradually, often takes generations to become noticeable. But there must be a question in your mind that what are the reasons of a language change? There are many reasons behind a language, so let me tell some of the reasons. The first reason is social interaction. This is one of the main reasons that a language changes, because of social interaction. Basically, social interaction plays a crucial role in shaping how languages evolve and change. It's a dynamic exchange where languages influence and are influenced by the way we interact with each other. For example, when speakers of different languages come into contact, they often borrow words and phrases from each other. This is especially common in situations like trade, cultural exchange, or migration. You can say, social interaction is also the reason. The next is technological advancement. This is another reason of a language change. Basically, technological advancements have become a major driver of language change in the modern era. As you know that new technologies create new concepts like new words to describe them. For example, words like internet, website, app, and download are all relatively recent inventions. Before the invention of this technology, these words and concepts were not available. So, technological advancement also plays a great role in changing a language. Migration. This is another of a language change. Basically, sometimes people move to new locations, bring their language with them, which can influence the local language and vice versa. Simply, you can say that migration can also be the source of a language. Actually, it is obvious that if one language comes into contact with another language, so the dominant language influences the less dominant language. So by this way, with a passage of time, a language change occurs. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.